Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 5 St Andrews Road, Crail. This is a stunning, beautifully presented, spacious, 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, townhouse family home. Not a thing that you need to do, just move in and really start enjoying this home's location and everything that it has to offer. You're in the heart of Crail, walking distance to all of your amenities and a stone's throw to the beach, the harbour, the Fife Coastal Path. It really is an ideal location and a fantastic family home. 3 bedrooms, ample storage throughout, a bathroom on every single level, which is just amazing, a really spacious and bright living area, and then an open plan family kitchen diner with all of your integrated appliances, and you even have a fully enclosed, low maintenance garden to the front, and as you can see is an absolute sun trap with parking directly outside. So it really is a home that ticks all the boxes while being beautifully presented and in an ideal location. So enough teasing you. Let's head inside, start the tour, and don't forget you have to keep listening until the end for how to get further details. So this is your property, number 5, and straight away you can see the charm that this property has. It is just beautiful. Now standing outside, you have this really low maintenance, fully enclosed garden that, as you can see, is an absolute sun trap. Ideal as well because it is fully enclosed, which is perfect if you have young children or pets, so you can just sit here, peace of mind, and just enjoy this space. And because it is low maintenance, it means when you are sat here, you're just here enjoying it. You don't need to worry about gardening or maintenance. Now along this side you do have lavender and some mature shrubs, which is lovely. As I say, fully enclosed and really practical as well because you've got bin storage, so it keeps it hidden away out of sight. There is also further storage in that area just there, so you can keep all your garden bits and pieces. But this is your fully enclosed garden. It really is just brilliant for just enjoying the sun, especially on a gorgeous day like today. And then, as I say, isn't this just a beautifully presented home? You've got double glazed sash and case windows, you've got a new composite front door, and I even love the detail of this wrought iron railing that gives you then your entrance into your property. So heading in, you have this fantastic sized entrance vestibule, which is ideal if you want to get some coats and boots storage, especially if you have perhaps been down the beach and the harbour. You can keep it all in here. Really practical in this space, and then close it off and you enter into your home. And there is so much to show you. I cannot wait to take you on the tour. So as always, we're going to start upstairs and work our way down. So we'll go to the top level and I'll show you all of your bedroom space. But as we do head up, you can see just how well presented this home is. It is immaculate. It really has had so much care and attention into it. But on the very top level, we have 1 bedroom and a bathroom. Now straight away you can see the sun shining in. It's a lovely and bright space. What's great is you have ample storage along here behind those sliding doors, so really practical. Now obviously currently it is set as a twin bedroom, however you could easily put a king in here, a double, push the beds together. You just make it work for you and your family. You've got a Velux there as well, and if you want to open that, you can just see over the rooftops, which is a lovely addition. And then you have an ensuite shower room. Really contemporary. You've got an enclosed electric shower, WC and wash hand basin, and again that same low maintenance theme because it's just full wet wall, so lovely and easy to clean. But this is one of your bedrooms, brilliant size. And then I even love just this space because you could even get some little trinkets along here if you wanted, or perhaps some vases with flowers just to really maximize that space. And then coming down, you have your next landing. And even this is really spacious as well. Now on this level, you have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So yes, that's right. You have a bathroom on every level. So again, makes it perfect for you and your family. And then this is your next bedroom. And just look at that for the light beaming in. Again, set out as a twin. Easily get a king or double in this space. And then you do have further floor space just behind the door for your bedroom furniture. So you've got storage solutions and then plenty of space for your bedroom. And as I say, it's lovely that you've got that double glazed sash and case window that does let that light in. And then you have your final bedroom. Currently it is bunk beds, which is again ideal if you do have perhaps a younger family. Likewise, you could put an alternative bed in here. And that really is the beauty of this. You just make it work for you and your family and any guests that are visiting. But with this one, you do have storage just along there as well. And then just a window with a view to the rear. But that is 3 really good sized bedrooms. And you can also see just how immaculate they are. New carpets, just ready to go. And then as I say, on this level, you also have a bathroom. So you have your wash hand basin, WC, and then with this bathroom, you have your family bath and shower overhead. And again, that same contemporary wet wall, so really low maintenance and easy to clean, but gives it that really contemporary modern feel as well. And I even just love this addition. You could even put a little window bench there perhaps, but also space for any bathroom storage. But that is another bathroom for you. And then again, you've got just a view to the rear. And I even just love this quality solid oak balustrade and staircase. It's just beautiful. And then we're back down to your main entrance hallway, and you can see that light flooding in. So you have just a little storage space under the stairs just there, but don't worry, because you have additional storage in this cupboard here. So ideal having that there in your hallway. And again, your final bathroom is just behind this door. And within this, you have a downstairs WC, you have your wash hand basin just with a vanity cupboard underneath, and then finally an additional shower with that same running theme of contemporary finish wet wall. So you have 3 bathrooms, 2 of which have shower and 1 has bath with shower overhead. So it really is brilliant. There's going to be no arguments over who's getting the bathroom, and that's great having this one on the lower level. So if you do have anybody visiting, people over, they can just stay on this one level and no need to go upstairs. And speaking of having people over, you've got this fantastic sized, really social kitchen dining space. Now there's a lot to talk you through in here, but you've perhaps noticed that you've got amazing light flooding into this space because you have this skylight that is actually electric powered. So with literally just the flip of a button, you open that up. So perhaps on a warmer day, that is just brilliant to have. And as I say, you can just control it by the flick of a switch. So that is just brilliant addition in such a social space. So as you can see, you have ample cabinet and worktop area. And what is great as well, so for example, this cupboard, you open it out, it has drawers within it for pots and pans. You have a drinks rack, wine rack. You have a slimline dishwasher. You have an integrated washer dryer, so you don't even need to worry about those. Nice and practical in there, but also out of sight. You have a space to obviously have your microwave. You've got your double oven and hob. So you've got all of the appliances that you need, while also being really practical with ample cabinet and worktop space. And isn't this just fantastic? And then as I say, you've got an area for all of your dining furniture. You can even get a bigger table if you wish, a smaller table, whatever's going to work for you and your family and perhaps anybody that's visiting. But this is just a fantastic space. So that is your kitchen diner. Now the final room of the property, and this is a really inviting area, it's a brilliant room, is your main living area. And just look how spacious this is. It's incredible. Ample room in here while also just being quality. You've got Candine flooring throughout, so it has been done to a really high standard. And then you have all of this living space. You've got the alcove there for trinkets, and then even a little press cupboard. And then you have this feature fireplace and mantle, and then an electric fire, which you can just imagine perhaps on a winter evening, colder months. That is just a lovely touch to have, especially just as a feature. But there is so much space in this living room, and just look how bright it is. It is just fantastic. You'll have to excuse, obviously, the camera picking up the light. But it's quality, just wood throughout. So this is your main living area. So let's do a recap of number 5. So that was the personal property tour for 5 St Andrews Road in Crail. And wow, are you spoiled with this property. You've just seen how beautifully presented it is, while also having so much on offer. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, spacious townhouse. What's great is you're in the heart of Crail. You've got this absolute sun trap of a garden to the front, fully enclosed, really low maintenance. You've got parking directly outside the garden, and it means you can just sit here on a day like today and just enjoy this space. Then heading inside, you're getting a beautifully presented, fantastic condition home. You're getting 3 bedrooms, all brilliant sized, ample storage with them, a bathroom on every level, which makes it an ideal family home, especially if you've got guests over visiting or even young children. Then you've got that brilliant sized living space with that feature fireplace, and then your open plan dining kitchen with all of your integrated appliances. It really is a brilliant space for entertaining, socialising, and as I say, you've got storage throughout. It is incredible condition, moving ready to go. You literally are just getting this property and just enjoying the lifestyle and the location. As I say, we're the heart of Crail, so you are walking distance to all of your amenities. You've got Dan's Goods, you've got Greens, you've got the Co-op, you then have cafes like the Beehive, Crail Harbour Tea Room, you've got restaurants, and then you really are just a stone's throw. You're down to the beach, the harbour, the Fife Coastal Path, Room Bay. You've even got the golf course within Crail. If you're looking for schooling, you have local nursery and primary school, and then just along to Anstruther you have Wade Academy for secondary schooling, or you have Madras within St Andrews. And speaking of St Andrews, you are just 10 miles to St Andrews, where you have further amenities, restaurants, bistros, leisure facilities, the home of golf, the university, bus stop literally just up the road as well. So really accessible, fantastic location, everything that you could possibly need, while getting this beautifully presented family home with so much on offer. Not a thing that you need to do, just move in and just imagine yourself sitting on this garden, as I say, on a gorgeous day like today, and then heading down to the beach. What more could you ask for? To get further details, click the link, message me directly, or call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie at 5 Properties. Take care.